Well, Fox Carolina is committed to you. South Carolina's law against price gouging is now in effect, and according to Attorney General Alan Wilson, that law kicks into action with the governor's state of emergency. Officials say anyone who violates the law can be charged with excessive pricing, which is a misdemeanor. So if you believe you are a victim of price gouging, here's what you need to do. Take a look. So you need to note the time, place, and address, as well as the business that you purchased those items from. And make sure you note the price you paid for the items, and you need to pay attention to nearby prices and get the same information from those businesses. Take pictures that identify the business and the price, and provide your name and contact information.